Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I just want to thank all of you for enjoying these Samsung videos here. I'm going to show you how to remove this. I've been seeing a couple of techies in the building asking how to remove it, so here we are. So basically the computer it's masking itself as a Galaxy Book. So your computer is not a Galaxy Book. It's just it's showing as it because that's what the bad file is doing. So first and foremost, you're going to want to do is you're going to go to your File Explorer. So type in File Explorer. Once you're in File Explorer, you're going to open up here, and you're going to want to go to your C drive where we put the Galaxy Book enabler in. All right, and you're going to have all these files here. You're going to go there. You're going to go to Delete. Delete all those files in there, or just delete the whole folder. All right, once you do that, you're going to go to the Recycle bin. Okay, and then you're going to go to empty the whole recycle bin. Okay. So empty up top. And what you're going to do is you're going to go here. You're going to go to empty. And you're going to say yes. Okay. Empty the whole recycle bin. Your recycle bin is done. Okay. It's all destroyed. All right. So now it's permanently gone there. And then you're going to want to go to your registry editor. So go into the start menu and type in registry editor. Okay. Once you type in your registry editor, you're going to go everywhere that has Samsung here. Okay. So for instance, let's see. So like one of them, I have Samsung under my H key current software Samsung. Just go here and just delete. You know what I'm saying? Delete all. You know, why not? Just delete it all there. And you're going to do that for every single thing that you do there. Okay. So you're going to do it for every single thing that you have there. If you want to go that far, really deleting it from here is probably just the safest way. You can go to your uninstall, your programs, any programs that you installed here. So like your Samsung account, your Samsung Community Service, your Samsung Cloud Assistant, your Quick Share, your Samsung Notes, your multi-control. So like going to the start menu and going to the control panel here. Let's see, and going to the uninstall, right? So you go to the control panel, go into the start menu, type in control panel, go to uninstall a program, and okay, so like going to the apps and install, so type it in apps. Apps and features. Oh, installed apps. Going to installed apps, which it would be in there as well. Excuse me. Wait. So just go into the Microsoft Store, and so go into the Microsoft Store and installing these applications from there. Okay. So like just go into the start menu, type it in Microsoft Store. Then once you're in a Microsoft Store, you can go to your apps here, and actually go to library. And then you can go to your apps, and then once it fully loads up here, it should show every app that you installed. So anything that's installed, anything that needs to be uninstalled will go in here and say open, and then you can just uninstall it from here. I'm trying to find something that's installed that I can just uninstall for you, or you click on it and then it should say uninstall. Oh, I should have knew it that wasn't going to work. But anyway, you get my gist, okay? That's how you remove all the Samsung applications from there. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.